A truth table is a tool that we use in order to determine in what situations a given logical statement is true or false. And we build the statements kind of from basic statements and build to more complex. So here's a simple little example. Suppose you're picking out a new couch and your significant other says get a sectional or something made of leather. So we make a truth table based on the resulting truth value of that statement, get a sectional or something made of leather, based on the simpler statements, get a sectional and get something made of leather. So the first thing we do is we use those two basic statements and we just look at all the possible combinations of those two statements being either true or false. So for example, the get a sectional could be a true statement, and the getting something made out of leather could also be true. In other words, you go pick out a couch that is both a sectional and it's made of leather. Okay. Or maybe you get a sectional, so this is true, but it's not made of leather, and so we would say that then would be a false statement under that situation. Okay. Or maybe you get something that's not a sectional, but that is made of leather. Sorry, that's obviously not, that is made of leather. And then I'm missing a row here. You could get something that's not a sectional and that is not made of leather. Okay. So those are the four possible ways to combine different truth values of the statements get a sectional and get something made out of leather. Then over here, we're going to fill out this column for the statement S or L, get a sectional or something made of leather, okay? Using our symbolic notation for logic, that would be S, and then this little V symbol. It's not V, but symbol that looks like V for or, and then L. Well, for an or statement to be true, okay, just one of them needs to be true. So here, both of them are true, so this is still a true statement, okay? You've got a sectional or you got something made out of leather. Turns out you did both, but that's still a true statement. Okay. For this next one, getting a sectional not made of leather, that is true because you satisfied the or statement. Same thing for here, not a sectional, but something made of leather, that is a true statement. Whereas down here, if you get something that's not a sectional and not made of leather, then this or statement is false. Okay, you did not satisfy the statement to get a sectional or something made of leather. So that's a basic example of a truth table that can show us the different situations in which this or statement is a true statement or a satisfied